Hello students, today we're going to talk about rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals are everywhere, in rivers, in the mountains, oceans, and all around us, even in the places we live. Minerals and rocks. Now you might say, what is a mineral? A mineral is an inorganic, naturally occurring solid that has a definite chemical composition and atomic structure. Now that might be a lot, students, so let's break it up. First we have inorganic, which means non-living. Next we have naturally occurring, which means not man-made. Then we have solid, which is hard. And also we have a definite chemical composition, which means that it's made up of elements and also atomic structure. Now here are a couple minerals that we have here for you. We have sulfur, feldspar, and mica, and many other, just as there are all around the world. Now students, you might ask how we know what minerals are what. It's because of the mineral characteristics. First, we have color. Now for example, feldspar is a yellow tint. That is how we know that it is feldspar. Next, we will have hardness. Hardness is how hard a rock is. Many times we will drag a mineral across a glass surface to know how hard the rock is. This is a scale of 1 to 10. Next we have luster. Luster is how shiny a rock is. Streak is when we streak a rock on the ground if it leaves a mark, and cleavage and fracture is how it breaks off.
Minerals make up rocks. Just like minerals, there are thousands of rocks in the world. To make it simpler, scientists took the characteristics of minerals and categorized them into 3 different types of rocks, depending on how they were formed. There is igneous, and sedimentary, and metamorphic.
Okay students, so the first rock we're going to talk about is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed in rivers, streams, and even in the ocean. Here is a demonstration on how sedimentary rocks are formed. First, rocks and pebbles travel down this tube, which is to represent rivers, streams, or even the ocean's current. Then, it drops into the sea. From there, pebbles keep on coming and the water keeps pushing pebbles and debris, and the sand and pebbles settle at the bottom and form settlements. Over the years, the settlements get pressed and squashed and hardened to form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are characterized by grains and layers. As you can see from this rock here, we have grainy rock with layers.
Alright class, the next type of rock is igneous. They are formed from the cooling of lava and magma from volcanoes. A volcanic eruption happens and magma spews out and flows and flows and flows. Magma is a hot liquid made of melted minerals. When the magma reaches the Earth's surface, it is known as lava. The cooling of lava results in the formation of igneous rocks. Also, lava pools inside of the volcano beneath the Earth's crust and forms igneous rocks with large crystals. Due to heat and slow cooling, the rocks have remnants of air bubbles and crystallization and are left a fine grain. Here is an example of an igneous rock, also known as a volcanic rock.
The next rock is metamorphic rocks. We are going to let scientist Lanny explain to you about metamorphic rocks. Here he is.
Now, imagine you have the surface of the Earth here, and you can see some trees, and these colors here, these are layers of rock underground. And so I'm going to show you how contact metamorphism works. The reason it's called contact is because it involves existing rocks coming into contact with really intense heat, which is generally provided by lava or magma. So imagine that one day an intrusion of magma forces its way up through these layers of rock. Now, all of the existing rock are going to be burned by the heat of the magma. So all along the edge of this magma, shown here in orange, you're going to have rocks that have been burned by the heat of the magma. That burning causes them to change or metamorphosize into something new. So anywhere you see the orange, you're going to have some metamorphic rock. This is caused primarily by heat.
Here is a metamorphic rock due to heat and pressure that causes banding and crystallization.
Thanks for watching, class. Your teachers, Haley and Shelby.